Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox Hot Wheels Ferrari. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product. Hot Wheels Ferrari F40 Competizione. This car is from the 2025 collection of Exotics. This is manufactured by Mattel and officially licensed by Ferrari. This car comes with an MRP of rupees 179, but this is extremely rare. So let's unbox this right now. Guys, here's the product. Hot Wheels Ferrari F40 Competizione. This is the latest one from 2025 series and it comes in a yellow color. Just look at the badging of Ferrari in the side, front. It has a well detailed exterior. Very realistic. Like just look at the tires, alloys, indicator, headlight, and the rear grille, exhaust, and all. Wow. This car is officially manufactured by Mattel, made in Malaysia. Ferrari F40 Competition. It's officially licensed by Ferrari. Also, it has a very realistic, detailed interior. Just look at the steering, seats, and mainly the engine bay. It's well detailed. This is a 1:64 die-cast scale model. It looks so realistic like this. Guys, this is a non-super treasure hunt, but it looks like one, right? If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your friends and families. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Now let's take this Hot Wheels for a mini test drive. Wow. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.